Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a command line utility inside Python which allows you to fetch the YouTube thumbnails of a particular video using a URL. So this is actually the module here, Python. I recently discovered this. It's a very newly constructed module, and the command is very simple. You install this module inside your terminal, pip install Python. Just come to your terminal right here and execute this command. As soon as you execute this, you can now use this utility right in the terminal itself. And let me show you the command that is used to fetch the YouTube thumbnail and store it as a JPG file. So the command is very simple. Once you get this, simply type here Python, and then in double quotes you actually paste the address of whichever video thumbnail that you want to get. So let me open any of this my videos here. Let me type here freemediatools. Let me copy the thumbnail and simply paste it. As soon as you do this, it is requesting the thumbnail for video ID, and it's found the thumbnail successfully saved. So if I open this in the directory, you will see the thumbnail is successfully saved right here. This is the thumbnail. Let me pick this video. Again, repeat the same process. Python in double quotes, you paste the video, and once again you will see the video thumbnail will be saved. You will see that. So you can also use it programmatically as well. Very simple. Just create a simple Python script. If you want to automate this, you simply say from Python we need to import the thumbnail package, and after that we simply initialize this thumbnail, and here we simply pass the address of the video that we want to fetch the thumbnail. Again, we call this fetch function, and then we simply save this. So you can give it a file name, thumbnail.jpg. So now what happens if you see, if you just execute this Python script, so you will see it will create this thumbnail.jpg folder, and inside this your thumbnail will be successfully saved right here. So this is a really free Python package for fetching the YouTube thumbnails of a particular video, both in command line or also you can do it programmatically. I tested it out. You can use it unlimited number of times. For this, we doesn't need to require any sort of API key. You can use it unlimited number of time. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website, which is freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.